See these flat clouds? I'm going to show you how to install them. Step 1. Prep the panel. Lay the cloud flat on a clean, level surface with 4 X marks facing up. Confirm each mark is accessible. Step 2. Install the chrome bases. Insert screw through the base and install the base at each X. Turn clockwise until seated and squared to the surface. A drill may also be used. Step 3. Cap the base. Thread the top of the cap onto the cable, then screw the cap into the base body until secure. Step 4. Route the cable. Feed the suspension cable through each base from the top, exiting through the side port. Verify smooth pull-through. Repeat all 4 points. Step 5. Attach to the ceiling. Hook the looped end of each cable into a connector. Attach the other side of each connector to the ceiling anchor. Ensure the baffle hangs flat at the intended finished elevation. Fine-tune by feeding the cable through the individual grippers as needed. Step 7. Finish and verify. Level across both directions and confirm evenness at all corners. Coil or trim excess cable per spec and verify each connector gate is fully closed. And there you have it. Now you can enjoy better acoustics from your flat ceiling clouds. Head over to feltrite.com to see our other ceiling options.